Hi everyone. Today the focus is on a display that aims to replace cluttered setups and maximize workspace efficiency. The ViewSonic VA3820C LED Monitor is a 38-inch ultrawide panel designed for people who want more room to move, think, work, and create without feeling boxed into a tiny frame. This is the kind of monitor that instantly changes the way you organize your projects the moment it lights up. The size is the first thing that stands out. A wide panoramic layout that gives you a broader perspective on everything you do. Editing videos becomes smoother because the timeline finally stretches comfortably. Working on documents, managing browser tabs, or researching feels more natural. You get a clear sense of freedom that smaller monitors simply cannot match. It's almost like working across two screens, but without bezels or interruptions. The display quality brings a balance of clarity and comfort. Colors are natural, brightness is stable, and contrast levels help details appear sharp without being harsh on the eyes. Text rendering is crisp, making long writing or reading sessions easier. Whether handling graphic work, editing images, or scrolling through spreadsheets, the visuals stay consistent throughout the entire panel. What makes this ultra-wide stand out is how refined the curve feels. Instead of pulling the sides too aggressively toward you, the curve creates a more immersive experience without distortion. The edges feel just as usable as the center, which is important for a monitor this wide. This subtle curvature also helps maintain even visibility across the screen, especially when placing multiple windows side by side. The overall build is clean and professional. Slim bezels keep things modern, and the matte finish reduces distracting reflections. The stand provides dependable support and gives you tilt adjustment for comfort. Even though it isn't covered in gaming-style accents or flashy highlights, its minimalist design is actually perfect for most work setups, creator studios, and home offices. Connectivity plays an important role here. The ViewSonic VA3820C includes the essential ports needed for day-to-day work setups. With HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB options, switching between devices or running two systems becomes simple. If you're the type who connects laptops, desktops, or streaming tools, the port selection will feel flexible and convenient. Cable placement in the back is organized well enough to keep wires from creating a mess on your desk. Performance across daily tasks is smooth and stable. While this isn't marketed to gamers, casual gaming looks surprisingly good for a productivity-focused ultra-wide display. Motion stays controlled, and the large field of view makes gaming more immersive. For content consumption like movies or live streams, the wide aspect ratio gives everything a more cinematic feel. Comfort features also deserve attention. With flicker-free technology and a reduced blue light mode, the monitor helps minimize eye strain during long work sessions. If you're editing videos for hours, working late on assignments, or switching through multiple apps all day, these small details become a huge benefit. Overall, the ViewSonic VA3820C LED monitor is designed to boost productivity and workspace comfort. The ultra-wide format, solid visual performance, professional style, and reliable connectivity make it an excellent upgrade for creators, students, office users, and professionals who want a more flexible digital workspace. It brings organization, clarity, and breathing room to your workflow. If this monitor seems like the right fit for your setup, the purchase link can be found in the description. Choosing this display can transform the way you manage projects, multitask, and enjoy content, all while supporting the channel and helping more tech reviews come your way.